What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. Guys, right now, oh my gosh. Right now, guys, we are first in line to go get the brand new iPhone XR that's releasing right now. I'll be doing an unboxing on it, and I'll be posting it about the same time I post this video. So if you guys want to go check that out, it's up in the iCard or down in the description. Super awesome video, super informative, super amazing. But yeah, guys, I am so hyped. We're literally gonna be the first people in the United States to get the brand new iPhone XR. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I can't wait. Open the doors. Alright, guys, just like that, we literally just got the brand new iPhone XR. We're going back, we're doing the unboxing, we're posting that video right now, so make sure you guys go check that out. It's up in the iCard down in the description. I can't stress that enough, but this was actually so much fun, actually waiting in line. Well, no, there was no line, but being the first person in the United States to get the brand new iPhone XR. Guys, I'm so excited. Yeah.